Here we have a 2019 BMW 320d XDRIVE M Sport Shadow Edition. Now this vehicle comes with the 19-inch black alloy wheels, all in excellent condition. We also have the blue M Sport brake calipers just behind, with the blue metallic exterior paintwork, the LED daytime running headlights, two glass black front kidney grills. We also have the front splitter as well, part of the M Performance kit. We have the side skirts along the bottom, colour-coded door handles, we have the black door mirrors, black trim around the windows with the privacy glass for the rear passengers, shark fin antennae up top. We also have the rear spoiler as well just there. We have rear parking sensors as well with a visual display inside. The twin pipe exhaust at the rear along with the rear diffuser. And back around to the driver's side, you'll find that this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. If you take a quick look at the interior, so coming into the back first, you find that we have the full red leather interior, foldable armrest with the fixed ISO points, electric windows on the doors. Take a look at the front, again the full leather interior. And there is a look at them front seats. We have the premium Harman Kardon sound system just there, electric windows which are up to the rear and electric mirrors as well. We have the auto lights and the auto wipers. Take a seat inside, you'll find we have the paddle shifters on either side of the multifunctional steering wheel. We have the cruise control and the speed limiter, the high beam assist just there as well. There is a look at the dashboard. We also have the main infotainment screen in the centre. If that's flickering, that's just the camera, so nothing to worry about. On here you find the likes of the sat nav. We have the DAB radio, the Bluetooth phone connectivity, all of the different drive modes. We have the climate control just down here as well. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. Once this vehicle gets a full valet, we'll do a more in-depth video. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. Thank you for watching.